Hi, my name is Vandana Patel. Today I am talk about the issue in cash flow statement presentation. Then let's start. In the introduction part, I include the annual report of the organization plays the most effective in terms of the managing the financial stylish of the organization to be operative within the existing management. The annual report state the ability of the organization in terms of paying of the debt as they become due to the paid of the lender. The report will be based on the effective studying or in the cash flow statement of the different companies in Australia. In part A, the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement of an organization are referred to as the statement which operate the financial transaction being created within the organization. The overall transaction of the company in reference to the cash flow is being calculated and stated within the cash flow statement of the organization. The statement of the organization does not include any kind of information and records related to the non-cash description. Now we talk about the income statement. The income statement of an organization is also being known as the profit or loss account, because in this statement we can see that end of the year our organization getting profit or loss. This statement helps the organization in analyzing the profit being generated by the organization as well as it being created by the firm. The statement helps in to analyze the revenue of the firm which is being operated for the benefit of the firm, the process transaction of the revenue from the organization term of the organization activity is being shown and recorded overall utilization of the income flow statement of individual organization. In part B, this section include the major consideration of different companies of Australia such as Santos Limited, Fantastic Limited and BHP Limited in regard to these three financial statements from the year 2017 to 2019. The cash flow operation. In the first chart, we can see that the BHP Limited in 2017 is perform very well, but in 2019 their performance is very good compared to the Santos Limited and Fantastic Limited. When we talk about the Fantastic Limited, you can see that the cash from operations is very low and is getting in a negative number, and the Santos are in a stable position. The capital expenditure. We can see that the capital expenditure in BHP Limited is the highest. We can see in 2017 is approximately nearby the $6 lakh million. But in the year 2019, there is again peak, the rise and about the $10 million. The Santos Limited and Fantastic Limited are mostly nearby the same. We can see that the Santos Limited is approximately stable size, but in Fantastic Limited is drastically decreased in 2019, but its performance in 2017 is not much more very well. The payment of the dividend. We can see that which company gives the highest dividend. Obviously, the BHP Limited's graph is highest. Here the peak point is $16 million in 2019, and in 2017 there is not much more given, but in after the 2008 is drastically increased in the year 2019. The Santos Limited is and the Fantastic Limited, I think they don't give any dividend. We can't see the exact figure because it's getting in a negative number. Now we can see that the item effect cash flow. The BHP Limited include the account payables, payment of dividends, Santos Limited overhead expense, indirect cost. The Fantastic Limited fixed assets and reduction of the debt. The trend in capital expenditure. The trend in capital expenditure among three companies in BHP is obviously highest as usual. In 2017 is nearby the $6 million, and in 2019 they are slightly increased with $10 million. In 2018, between that period, there is slightly increase but not much more compared to the 2019. The Santosh Limited and Fantastic Limited has, I don't think so there is much more increase. In starting is nearby $1 million, but then after they are decrease, and Santosh Limited is stable with $1 million. The trend in a dividend, we can see that in trend in a dividend of 3 companies, in BHP is given the highest dividend. In 2017, this starting with the $4 million, but then after slightly increase in 2018, there is given increase some between the $6 million to $8 million. But in 2019, they are drastically increased with $16 million. And Santosh Limited, we can see that there is no perform very well, and they didn't give any dividend to employees. And Fantastic has also in the same position. The net borrowing, we can see that in a BHP Limited, the net borrowing 2017 is starting with 0, but continuously it increased till 2018 with the $5 million, and then after in 2019 is slightly decreased with. And at this time, the net borrowings of Fantastic Limited is highest in 2017, is nearly by $3.5 million. But then after slightly decrease with the year 2018 is near and reach it $2.5 million. And in 2019 again drastically increase with about the $5.5 million. The Santosh Limited, we can see that the starting with nearby the approximately $2 million, and then again decrease, and then after it's stable in between the $1.5 million approximately. The working capital. The working capital of this company in the BHP and Santosh are not perform very well, because we can see that they most prefer are the stable in condition. But the Fantastic Limited is starting in 2017 is very good, is nearby the $11 million, but then after decrease with the negative number, and then after with negative number but slightly increase in the condition in 2019. We can see that the Fantastic Limited in the 2018 is nearby the minus 6 million to 8 million between, but then after it slightly increase with minus $1 million. Here is some references which I can take from the different sources, and this among the all references I use in my PDF PPT PowerPoint presentation as well as my Word report also. And thank you.